have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. Maybe you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Hi everyone, my name is Eugene Makhene. I'm here at Malboro. That's where my business is situated. I actually work with motorbikes. I'm a bike motor technician, which I do rebuilds on motorbikes. And I do feel quite a few things in terms of cars. I also do towing, and I've been doing motorbikes for the past 6 years. And with the towing and the motor cars, I have about 15 years experience on mechanical and NLBT. And basically, I do have guys that I work with, but my passion is to see myself giving more of my skills to the younger ones. A friend of mine that has passed away, he's the one that motivated me to be a biker, because he was a rider, and how we met, I was actually helping him to fix his car. So all the time he would come with his bike here at my workshop. So at that time he wasn't able to pay me, and he gave me a bike. And from there I started getting interested in bikes, so I took it from there. That was 10 years ago. Look, my experience, it's if anyone that wants to get into biking, firstly it's to get information, right information. Secondly, do not go and buy a bike without collecting all this proper information. Seek for the right information. And the first step, find who does bike training, and you get more information from there. Then you will be taken through steps of how you want to be a biker. And as soon as you've been told the right information, do not think that the information that you were given is wrong, and you get yourself to buy a bigger bike like a super bike 1000cc. Believe me, it's going to kill you. So if you follow the right steps, you will ride more years like me. I'm still riding, and I see myself riding for more than 40 years from now, which, yes, watch me, that will happen. This is my workshop where Eugmak operates. I'm going to take you for a tour, show you when I come in the morning, what do I do, what do I start with. Okay, I'll first start with a small 4-wheel bike. This bike, it actually came in here, it was not starting, and I went to check the bike, and there was few things that needed to be done. So I got it right, the bike is started, so the bike is fine. So it's ready to go. So now as you see the floor, it's divided. Okay, I've got these lines where I put on bikes which are ready. If you see the square, it's where I work on this bike. So I'll work on this bike, get it done, and everything that I strip on this bike. This is a big boy, which it was involved in an accident. Just by luck, the owner of the bike is still alive. So I'm working on the bike. I had to strip all the fairings, those covers, they are damaged. So these covers, I'm gonna fix them, paint them, and then reassemble all the parts again. Right, we've got a CBR here, CBR 1000. The CBR 1000, what I was actually working on, it was the service. okay, but working on it as part of the service, I'm gonna move it to where it's supposed to be. Right, I'll show you what I was working on. I was doing a service. So when you do a service, you gotta take out your tank. That's where your tank sits. Okay, you got the covers. So these covers, I had to remove the covers. Okay, and put them in one space. So when I work on the bike, the area has to be clean. So what I was doing, I changed the oil, which your oil filter. It's where it sits. So this is the new oil filter, and that's your new oil filter. And the other thing that I was changing on this bike was the plugs. So the plugs, they sit under the tank, right? And the other thing that I was changing, I had to take out everything, all the covers. I had to pull them out. So the covers, and the other thing that I was changing was these are your rear brake pads. Your rear brake pads. This is where your rear brake pad sits. Okay, and I have the front brake pads, so the front brake pads as well. I had to change them, they're being changed. Alright? And your oil, I've done the oil as well. And so basically, yeah, and I had to replace a new battery. This is where your battery sits, okay, on the bike. So as soon as you're done with putting everything, that's where your seat goes, okay, then you're gonna put them on your covers. So this bike is basically fine. So you gotta start it and I've got this old smaller bike which I actually bought this bike. This bike I actually wanna teach the young guys that would wanna know how a bike is being repaired. Because I wouldn't want to give any trainings on that super bike. But this one is the one that's the best one. Where I'll show you a person how to take out the wheel, how to take out your sprocket, how to change your chain, how to pull out your tank. Okay. So basically, it's a bike that I will use for training. Guys that will be interested in working on the bike. Okay. Yeah, this is normally what I do. I would buy a smash bike. Okay. When I buy a smash bike, I'll get it to this position. Alright. Strip it out, take out everything, and start looking, checking what is wrong, what is needed. Right. So I'll find it at that position. Then if I have to spray paint it, okay, I gotta get it to this position. So when I say I do rebuilds, I'll get it at this position, at that point, and then move it to there. And the conclusion of our tour for Eugmak's workshop. Look, anyone is more than welcome to request any service from me. As I mentioned that I do bike rebuilds, I do also supply parts, motorbike parts. If anyone will be interested in getting parts, any bike, I can ask them to get anything that you require. Secondly, any person that needs towing services, I am there to give you services. Okay, if you want to service your bike, you can get me on these numbers: 082 9376 511. My address is Malboro, 2nd Street, number 84. I'm looking forward to work with anyone. Thank you.